G'day, Adam Clancy here, Century Marine Batteries Ambassador for New Zealand. Are all batteries the same? Absolutely not. You shouldn't use a car battery in a boat and vice versa, and here's why. Car batteries are built for smooth roads and extreme heat, and under the bonnet applications, where temperatures can often reach excess of 75 degrees Celsius. Marine batteries must withstand constant vibration and impact of wave pounding and trailer transport. Marine batteries like Century's are designed to withstand the rigours of marine use, including engine starting and powering onboard accessories for extended periods. Choose a marine battery that meets the needs of your specific boating requirements and needs. Consider all the factors: vibration resistance, impact resistance, and the ability to power all your marine electronics and accessories on your boat. Car batteries are not designed for boats, and boat batteries are not designed for cars. You could risk damage to your battery and reduce its longevity. Make an informed decision. Go out and buy the battery that's most suited for the needs of your boating.